Hi, I'm Tri, and on this tutorial I will teach you guys how to make a simple boomerang paper plane, the outer spaceship. So first step, fold the paper in half this way. Second step, I will start from this edge. I fold it to this crease. Okay, and next I will fold the paper in half this way. And then I will turn the paper like this. Fourth step, I will start from this edge. I fold it to the center crease. Okay. Next, I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. Then we fold this triangle shape down, but I will tell you that you have a crease on the back here, so use this as a reference to fold this triangle shape down. Okay. Then next, I will fold the paper in half this way. Alright, open the paper. You see a crease here. We use it as a reference to fold the stabilizer, so start from this edge, fold it to this crease. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. Next, I fold the paper in half again, and now I will estimate about half an inch from this edge along this edge. Okay. When I fold out, I will match this edge to this edge. Then repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, now I can open the paper. So here you are, the outer spaceship. This is a boomerang. Make sure that you curl the wings up a little bit before you throw it. Okay. And also it is important that you hold the plane like this, tilt the plane to the direction you want to throw it. So you want it to fly back to the left side, tilt the plane like this and throw it to the left side. Alright, so thank you for watching, and this is the outer spaceship. Bye bye.